Welcome back to the Ranch Network.
Welcome back.
We've got some weed whacker fixing.
That's right.
We're gonna try to give it a tune-up. The first time I ever gave anything a tune-up, here we go with the weed whacker.
I know, it never ends.
Why don't you join us here?
Yeah, come on.
Come on, let's go. Let's get work done. All right, so I got my trusty manual here, Jennifer, for the Stihl FS 91.
Right.
What are you looking up on there, Jennifer?
Well, the spark plug, the air filter, the fuel filter.
Okay.
So
Nice.
when you go to the Stihl dealership, what I like about them is they have all your equipment that you've purchased listed.
Yeah.
And so you say, hey, I need, a tune-up done on my trimmer. And they'll say, okay, which one, if you have more than one. And then you tell them. And then they say, okay, this is what you need. They grab it and you check out.
Here's one other thing. Right here, we got the spark plug. Do you know how to get to the spark plug? Come on, Jennifer. What are you doing? You're like a monkey on a beach ball here. Okay.
So now the other side.
You're gonna pull the plug, Jennifer. Let's see what it looks like. Because right now, what are some of the problems that it's giving you?
It is stopping when it starts. I think it's a fuel filter issue.
You think?
And
when's the last time you gave it a tune-up?
Never.
Okay, maybe that's the problem.
Yeah, this thing should probably be disgusting.
Let's take a look at this spark plug, Jennifer.
Oh, God.
Oh, that's
God.
beautiful.
Ah!
Look at that spark plug,
Oh,
folks.
God.
Isn't that beautiful? I wonder why this isn't running correctly.
Okay.
I wonder what the problem could be.
Okay.
Look at that. That looks horrible.
I
Look
know,
at that.
it's horrible.
Look at that, T.
I know.
That could be, that's one of the
Well,
issues.
let's put it back in there for now.
Let's go like that. Just set it in there. We'll just give it a couple twists. Okay, we're not gonna take the fuel filter out, but we're gonna show you where it's at. What's it squirting all over the place? Hold on for a minute, Jennifer.
Okay.
Why are you gonna take this out to get to the fuel filter?
Because
This is what happens.
I want to see.
Impatience working with you.
I apologize.
Right.
In advance for my
What did your dad used to tell you when you were a kid?
Go inside and help your
Your
mother.
mom. There you go. Now stop touching things. All right, so I'm gonna take this up, and essentially, the fuel filter is inside here. So what you have to do is you have to fish it out, and you have to grab it. You don't have to drain anything.
You should drain the oil or the gasoline.
Yeah, if you had it in there all over the winter time. But no, what you're gonna do is we're gonna reach in there with some needle nose pliers, pull it out, and then pull it off. But we're not gonna do that yet until we're ready. Because
you have to hold on to that.
You have to hold
tube.
on, yeah, you have to hold on to the tube.
Last thing you want to do is lose the tube.
Yeah, it's in there somewhere. But yeah, we'll fish it out, and we'll change that as well. The air filter, where's the air filter? Jennifer's?
I think it's on this side.
Is it? Jennifer will start just taking this thing apart. No, I think she's actually right. There you go. Doing good, Jennifer. Look at this. Didn't you say you didn't want to learn any maintenance or whatever? And what are you doing? You're jumping right in there and getting it done.
Hey, I've done pretty much everything myself my entire life.
Well, here you go.
Exactly.
Now you're rocking and rolling. It's bad shape in there.
Look at
that.
Oh my God,
Holy
this is
cow.
a nightmare.
Let's take a look up close, Jennifer.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
All right, so now we're gonna have to go to the Stihl dealer.
Let's go to the Stihl dealership.
That's right. Okay.
The powerhouse.
So what do you got there, Jennifer?
So this is my service kit. We went over to the Powerhouse, right? It's affiliate of any Stihl equipment. So we got this little doodad. It fits the FS 91. And we got a new fill filter, we got a new spark plug, and we got a new air filter.
Right.
So all those three things are what we're going to do to improve our performance on this doodad.
Yeah.
So
what do you want to change out first, Jennifer?
the fuel filter.
Fuel filter. The most hardest one here.
Knock out the hardest one first.
It's not, and that's not really that hard. It's a matter of just fishing the fuel filter out of the tank.
Yep.
Right?
Oh, wow, look at this spark plug. It's so much better than the one we were looking at.
All right.
Woo-wee.
Yeah, it's much better. So you're gonna have to fish the other one out.
Yeah, I'm nervous to do all that.
You want me to do it for you, or
If
you want to go for it?
I'd rather you do it. It's messy.
There we go.
I can't see it either.
Of course you can. That's
Where-
part of the beauty.
where
It's like when you go
is it?
fishing, can you always see the fish in the
Yes,
ocean?
you can always see the fish.
Oh,
Get a
whatever.
fish finder.
Why don't you use
how
that little? You can't see it. You gotta just fish for it. Look at.
No.
If you get this, you can put it in there and you can fish it out. You'll find
You
it.
know what? You're gonna do it because it's messy, and you're making it messy, and you're gonna shoot up gas in my face.
Whatever. I'm not. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out. Ready?
Good. That sounds like a plan.
All right, Jennifer. Here we go. You see, I'm gonna put my nerd glasses on and I'm gonna fish it right out of here, just like a fisherman would. Some sort. I forgot to tell you guys I don't fish. Okay. I eat fish. We had great fish today, Jennifer.
I know. It was really
Quite a ways. Oh, I hear it. I gotta bring it up closer so we can see it. Okay. Almost. Come on, baby. There it is. I see it. Well, let me bring it up closer to the top. Looky there.
good. A baby.
Yeah. I want to be careful not to mess it up in any
You
sort
need
of.
to hold this, and then I'll do it.
Right.
Hold this.
I got it. Okay. Now, if you want to hold the camera a bit, what we're going to do is I'm going to hold on to it right here. There. And you just want to kind of pull it off. Gotta be careful you don't lose. There we go. Where's the other one? Okay. Put that in there. There you go. That's all there is to it, folks. Drop it right back down there.
Okay, so the next thing that we're going to attack here is the spark plug. We're going to change out that mugger. So let's go ahead, loosen this up. And our spark plug is found here on the top of our FS91. And look at this
that.
thing.
Remember
This
that?
thing is really gross.
It's a bad thing right there.
Yeah, it's looking like dookie poo.
So let's do this. We pulled out the old spark plug. We got the new one. And let's just make sure the gap is about the same. Gap is right.
Oh, this is much better. Yeah,
Well, we
it's
want to,
about the same.
yeah, we want to make sure the gap's about right. I think it comes pre-gapped.
They said don't tighten it too much. and
Right.
That's
So
the
just
biggest
give it a
thing.
little bit.
From where I'm at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Don't over tighten. Okay. And now I'm just putting it back together, which is working out nicely.
T's working on a separate project over here.
I am.
What are you working on, T? Look at that. Yeah, I think he's building a shelf of some sort.
Cool, dude.
It's fine. He's rocking and rolling. He's getting projects done over there, Jennifer. That's what kids do. They start working on things randomly, making shelves. He did a really good job last time when he built a shelf. He's got it in his room. What do you have on your shelf, T?
Something that was made in 1975.
Oh, really old.
Okay, guys. Ooh, very nice. So on here,
Oh man,
this is
look at
our
that.
oldie moldy here.
That looks gross.
And it is, yeah, it is looking pretty nasty.
Yeah.
Yola.
Yeah,
Looks
so the air
much
filter
better.
definitely needs to be changed out.
Changed out.
This one's garbage. That's garbage.
Yeah.
All right, Jennifer. Good job.
This is useless now. I don't know if I can find it.
So yeah, this is coming along nicely.
It's almost ready to start, isn't it?
Yep.
So how was it running before? How would you describe it?
It was like turning off whenever, like it would idle so low, the idle would just like, it would conk out.
Okay, so what are you gonna do? How many times are you gonna pump
I'm
that,
gonna
Jen?
pump it 5 times.
So you prime it, you give it 5 pumps.
And then I turned it all the way to cold start.
Okay.
And then I just kind of brace it. That's it.
How's it run? Does it sound pretty decent?
Yeah, I mean, that's how it runs. And as soon as
Does it sound strong or what?
it seems a little low to me. Basically, what I want to do is just hear it.
So it's probably idling a little bit low, right?
I think so.
Yeah, so we could probably turn up the idle a little bit.
Yeah, it would help. Because it seems like it's going to die all the time.
Okay, hold on to it. Hold on.
It sounds like it's idling faster. Yeah.
Try to give it some gas. Try it out a little bit. Does it sound a little bit better? Good.
Okay.
What do you think about it?
It's working much better. It's healthier. It doesn't sound like it's going to die. It doesn't feel like it's going to die.
How happy are you?
I'm very, very happy. Yeah, it makes me happy when these things work like they're supposed to.
Look at that, we did it.
Thank you, yes, it's so nice.
We increased the idle. So we idled it up a bit. And now it seems to run really well.
Yes.
And it doesn't dog out when you let off the accelerator. Jennifer, you did a great job.
Thank you.
I have to
Thanks
say.
for helping me with the fuel filter.
She did it.
It
She
was
got her done.
messy.
That's right.
He helps me with the hard stuff, the messy stuff, and it's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.